How to use LinkedIn Creator Mode to get more views. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, we're going to be breaking down how you can use LinkedIn's Creator Mode to get more views. What it does is it's going to basically boost your visibility, organizes your profile for content, and help your posts reach a wider professional audience. As of March 2024, LinkedIn has officially removed the toggle button for Creator Mode. So what you can do instead is choose your main topics or hashtags, like picking up 5 topics you talk about. And these will appear top of your profile and help your LinkedIn recommend your post to other people who follow or engage with similar contents. You can also use features like LinkedIn Live, newsletters, and analytics. These different modes are available to everyone, not just creators, after the update. So what you could do is go over to profile at the top left, tap on the settings icon at the bottom, and then from here go to visibility. Make sure your profile viewing options. Here is your name and headline. Make sure everyone sees this. Make sure your page visibility is turned on as well. And make sure all of these links are public to increase your connections, your views, and likes as well. Under visibility of your LinkedIn activity, on your manage activity status, you can do all LinkedIn members if you want, and make sure all of these options are turned on as well. Once you have done that, you can try to post anything about your interest on LinkedIn and see how that goes around. So that's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.